Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have these Christmas cone trees DIY. If you're interested, keep watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't subscribed, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think.
She's like, what we getting into today? Doing is cutting the poster board. We folded it and we're cutting it in half right now. Hold on, Dreamy. Alright, and then we're gonna be cutting it in half. What are we gonna be doing? Oh, okay. So we're gonna be rolling it to make a cone shape, cone-like shape. Josie is hilarious. It probably still needs to be done. So this is after we did the cone and glued it. And it's not even, so now we're gonna be cutting the bottom of it. So we want to make different sizes, different size cones. So we have a bigger cardboard that we've had for a while, and we're gonna go ahead and make a bigger size cone with this one. These are our finished cones that we made. Got all different sizes. And what we're gonna do is we'll be tracing the bottom of each one. And we're gonna be using the bottom circle to put it inside of the cone. So it's gonna be like a base for the cone so that it can help it stay upright. And you can do it like that so that it doesn't fold or bend or anything, or look or flimsy or anything. I did a little one right there, but we're making some sort of design with the glue gun, and I'm doing like a half circle. And it's not perfect, but so for this next design that I'm gonna do, it's gonna be like my version of a snowflake. It's kind of hard to make the design perfect. After we had added the design, the slate is kind of bright. But what we're doing right now is spray painting on top of the glue gun and the whole thing all together. Look at it. It's so cute. Wait. So that's our first little cone that we just spray painted. Our other cone that also has the design on it. Cute. This one is a plain one for now. We're going to be adding glitter to it. Oh wait, actually, are we adding glitter to this one? Yeah, we're going to be adding glitter to this one. Look at how nice that gold is. Yeah, that one looks really nice. Okay, gold, I see you. Our Mod Podge, and we're putting it onto the cone, and we're gonna be adding our little fake snow. From the dollar store. It really looks like real snow. So this is what we did with the fake snow. And now we're just spraying some type of dry adhesive spray. It's like an adhesive spray, so it'll dry it quicker and make it stick. You can use hairspray or you can use this. So this is gonna be for our gold cone. And what we're doing right now, we're just mixing the Mod Podge with the gold glitter. See, look at that, how shiny it is. So you want to mix it up. It's so much easier like this because you're not making a huge mess. And you just apply it right on. And you can go crazy with the glitter because who doesn't love glitter?
You want to do this nice and even so you don't get chunks.
This is our little fluffy ball. I forgot to put this in my materials, but we're gonna be using this for the white little snow one that we got. The white snow cone, that's what I'm calling it. And we're just using the glue gun to stick this on. So this is our white one with the snowflakes. And we're gonna be using this little disco ball for the top part of it. Actually, let me do it. And there you go. And we're gonna be also putting the disco ball on the gold one. So we decided to redo the silver one. I didn't like it. None of us did. But we redid a whole silver little cone, and we're adding these little snowflakes that are from the Dollar Tree. You can grab a couple packs of that. And I'm using the glue gun to stick it because the little sticky on this one is not the best, the adhesive. And I'm just spreading them out so that they can look even. You don't want it to be too much going on.